Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. Trying to age as gracefully as I can, so that is why I'm loving this Drunk Elephant Night Serum. This night serum has really been a pleasure to use because I like that it comes out clear, a little bit thick but not too thick, and when I go to put it on my face, I feel like it soaks in really nicely, which is great because at nighttime when I use it before I go to bed, I don't want to have to worry about anything getting on my sheets. And I've been loving this serum so much that I even decided to use it on my chest and neck area because, you know, I'm not only just worried about my face, but this area also. So aging gracefully, I have been really enjoying using this night serum. It's something that is part of my nighttime routine now. And another thing that I really appreciate is that it doesn't, me personally, does not feel like there's any kind of burning or stinging, which is great. That can be hard to come by sometimes. And that is just my point of view.